I will show you how to get the best songs of your life. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of songwriting success. First up, start with a strong theme. What's the story or emotion you want to share? Think about your favorite songs. They all tell a compelling story, right? Next, play with your melodies. Don't be afraid to experiment with different chord progressions and rhythms. Sometimes the best tunes come from unexpected combinations, and lyrics, keep them simple and relatable. Use words that paint a picture and connect with your listeners. Think about everyday experiences and emotions. Finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you write, the better you'll get. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Even the greats started somewhere. So grab your instrument, get inspired, and let your creativity flow. You've got this.